Have you noticed how many songs about anxiety and mental health are going viral right now? From It's My Anxiety to other trending tracks, it feels like everyone is singing about stress, fear, and overthinking. But here's the big question. Can music actually help you feel better? Or does listening to sad songs make anxiety worse? Today, we're diving into the science behind music and mental health. Let's find out the truth. Why anxiety songs are going viral. Music has always been a way for people to express emotions, but right now, songs about anxiety are trending like never before. Google searches for anxiety song have skyrocketed by 4,250%. Lyrics about stress, fear, and overthinking are hitting millions of plays. Artists like Ducci, Benson Boone, and more are writing songs about mental health. So why is this happening? Simple. People relate. In today's world, with stress, social media pressure, and burnout, more people are struggling with anxiety than ever before. And music? It gives them a voice when words aren't enough. How music affects your brain. All right, let's talk science. How does music actually impact your brain? When you listen to music, your brain releases dopamine, the feel-good hormone. Music activates the amygdala, the part of the brain that processes emotions. It can literally slow your heart rate and reduce stress hormones like cortisol. That's why certain songs make you feel relaxed, energized, or even emotional. It's not just in your head, it's science. Does listening to sad songs help or hurt? Okay, so we all have that one song we play when we're feeling down. But does listening to sad music actually help with anxiety? Studies show that for some people, sad songs are comforting. They create a sense of connection and help process emotions. But for others, listening to sad music can actually make anxiety worse. If you're already feeling low, looping sad songs can keep you stuck in that mood. But if you listen to uplifting music, it can actually help shift your mindset. So, what's the key? Balance. If sad songs help you release emotions, great. But if they keep you stuck in overthinking, it might be time to switch up the playlist. The science behind music therapy. Ever heard of music therapy? It's a real thing, and it's even used in hospitals and mental health treatments. Studies show that music therapy can reduce anxiety and depression, lower blood pressure and heart rate, improve focus and relaxation. Certain types of music, like classical, lo-fi, and nature sounds, are proven to reduce stress and promote relaxation. So next time you feel overwhelmed, try this. Put on some calming instrumental music. Take deep breaths. Close your eyes and let the music guide you. Trust me, it works wonders. Music is more powerful than we think. Whether it's an anxiety song that makes you feel understood or a calming playlist that helps you unwind, it has the ability to change our emotions instantly. So, what's your go-to song when you're feeling anxious? Drop it in the comments, I'd love to hear. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to Nutro Plus, and turn on notifications for more mental health and wellness tips. Remember, you're not alone, and music can be your therapy. Stay strong, and I'll see you in the next video.